Welcome to our roundup of the best pool cleaning machines. If you are tired of wasting your weekends skimming leaves, brushing walls, and watching dust settle back to the bottom just hours after cleaning, you are definitely not alone. A clean pool should be something you enjoy, not a chore that steals your free time. That is exactly why robotic and cordless pool cleaners have become such a game changer for homeowners. In this video, we are breaking down the top pool cleaning machines that deliver the best balance of cleaning power, battery life, coverage, filtration performance, ease of use, and long-term reliability. Whether your pool is small or large, used daily or only on weekends, one of these machines can completely change how you maintain it. Stick with us until the end, because the last option on this list might surprise you with just how much performance it packs into one machine. Now, let us jump right in. The first on the list is the Pondy X5. The Pondy X5 is built for pool owners who want cordless freedom, strong suction performance, and smart navigation without dealing with complicated setups or messy hoses. The moment you take it out of the box, it feels refreshingly simple. There are no external pumps to connect, no long instruction manuals to memorize, and no tangled cables to fight with. You charge it, place it in the pool, and let it get to work. Once submerged, the powerful motor immediately begins pulling in leaves, dirt, sand, and other debris that slowly build up at the bottom of your pool. What makes the X5 especially satisfying to watch is how methodically it moves. Instead of randomly bumping into walls and wasting time, its smart navigation helps it follow a more structured path, which means more of your pool gets cleaned in less time. It glides smoothly across flat surfaces and gently sloped areas, adjusting its direction when it reaches walls or corners. This leads to fewer missed spots and a much more even overall clean. Battery performance is well suited for small to medium-sized pools, giving it enough time to complete a full cleaning cycle without stopping halfway through. When it is done, you can easily lift it out thanks to its lightweight body. The filter basket is simple to remove and rinse, so maintenance takes only a couple of minutes and does not feel like another chore. It is not built for extremely large or complex pools with lots of steps and levels, but for the majority of home pools, it does exactly what most people want. Overall, the Pondy X5 is a stress-free, easy-to-use pool cleaner that delivers consistent results and makes regular pool maintenance feel almost effortless. Next up is the Wibot A1. The Wibot A1 is a great option for pool owners who care about long battery life, fine particle filtration, and compact, easy handling. This cleaner is designed to be reliable and practical, especially for people who want to set it and forget it. Once fully charged, it can run long enough to clean most small to medium pools in one complete session, which means no interruptions and no half-finished cleaning jobs. One of the biggest advantages of the A1 is its filtration system. It does not just pick up large leaves and visible debris, but also captures much finer particles that often make pool water look cloudy even after cleaning. This makes a noticeable difference in overall water clarity, especially if your pool is exposed to dust, sand, or pollen. In motion, the A1 follows an intelligent pattern that helps it avoid wasting time in the same areas. It steadily works across the pool floor, changing direction when it hits walls and gradually covering the entire surface. Its slim, low-profile body allows it to reach under edges and into tighter spaces where dirt tends to collect. Another pleasant surprise is how quiet it is during operation. You can run it while people are relaxing nearby without creating noise or disturbance. When the cleaning cycle is finished, removing and rinsing the filter basket takes only a few seconds. While it focuses mainly on floor cleaning and does not aggressively climb walls, it performs its main task extremely well. Overall, the Wibot A1 is a dependable, efficient, and user-friendly cleaner that is perfect for people who want clean water, minimal effort, and reliable day-to-day performance. Next, we have the Pullub PF1. The Pullub PF1 is built for users who want wide area coverage, stable traction, and one-button simplicity in their pool cleaning routine. This is the kind of machine you buy if you want something that just works every time without thinking about settings or modes. You press one button, drop it into the water, and let it do its job. The suction system is strong enough to handle leaves, dirt, sand, and small debris without clogging easily, which is especially useful if your pool is near trees or open areas. What really helps the PF1 stand out is how stable it feels while moving. Its balanced design and well-gripped wheels keep it from getting stuck easily, and it moves smoothly across different pool surfaces. It covers a wide area in a single cleaning cycle, making it a good match for medium-sized pools. The battery capacity is well matched to its cleaning speed, so in most cases, it finishes the job before needing a recharge. The debris container is also generously sized, which means you do not have to empty it after every small cleaning session. Cleaning the machine itself is simple and quick. You remove the container, rinse it out, and it is ready for the next run. While it is mainly focused on floor cleaning and does not specialize in climbing walls, it does exactly what many pool owners need most: keeping the main swimming area clean and comfortable. Overall, the Poolube PF1 is a practical, reliable, and easy-to-own pool cleaner that is ideal for people who want straightforward performance without overcomplicating their pool maintenance routine. At number 2, we have the Riryu cordless robotic pool cleaner. The Riryu model steps things up with high-efficiency suction power, intelligent obstacle detection, and long cleaning runtime. This cleaner is clearly designed for people who want stronger performance and smarter behavior from their machine. Once it starts working, you can immediately see the difference in how it moves. Instead of aimlessly wandering, it follows a more organized pattern and reacts intelligently when it encounters drains, corners, or pool fittings. The obstacle detection system helps it avoid getting stuck, which saves time and ensures more complete coverage. In terms of cleaning ability, the Riryu handles both large debris like leaves and smaller particles like sand with ease. The suction remains strong and consistent even as the filter basket begins to fill, which is something many cheaper cleaners struggle with. Its battery life is another major advantage, allowing it to clean larger pools in a single session without needing to stop and recharge. While it is a bit heavier than smaller entry-level models, that extra weight brings better stability, stronger suction, and more reliable performance. Overall, the Riryu cordless robotic pool cleaner is an excellent choice for people who want a more powerful, more intelligent, and more capable machine without jumping to extremely expensive professional systems. The last one on our list is the Zyark Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Zyark earns the top spot thanks to its powerful cleaning system, smart navigation technology, and wide pool compatibility. This is the kind of machine that feels like a complete solution rather than just a basic cleaner. From the moment it enters the water, it moves with purpose. Its navigation system helps it follow an efficient path, reducing wasted movement and making sure more of your pool gets cleaned in less time. The suction system is strong enough to pick up everything from fine dirt to larger debris, leaving the pool not only looking clean, but also feeling clean underfoot. One of the biggest strengths of the Zyark is how well it handles different pool types. Whether your pool has a flat bottom, gentle slopes, or textured surfaces, this cleaner maintains good traction and stable movement. It does not struggle in corners and does a great job covering open areas evenly. Battery life is more than enough for most home pools, and in many cases, it finishes a full cleaning cycle in one go. The filter system is easy to access and clean, which makes regular maintenance fast and simple. The overall build quality feels solid and designed for long-term use, not just one season. Overall, the Zyark Pool Vacuum Cleaner stands out as the most complete and well-rounded option on this list. It combines strong cleaning power, smart movement, reliable battery life, and excellent everyday usability into one machine, making it an outstanding choice for almost any pool owner. So that wraps up our list of the best pool cleaning machines. If this video saved you time or helped you decide which one is right for your pool, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and buying guides just like this. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and here is to a cleaner, clearer, and completely stress-free pool experience.